Good morning, students. I welcome you all to today's online class. So, students, today we will continue with our knowing our new identities, isn't it? Identity 1 I gave in the last video. So today let us see the next algebraic identities. Okay. So we are learning algebraic identities. Algebraic identities we are learning. Okay. So number one is we had already completed number one, isn't it? So today we will do identity 2. So this one also we will take it as a proof only. Prove that x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Okay, we will take it as a proof. X minus y whole square is equal to x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Let us take the left hand side. X minus y whole square is equal to x minus y into x minus y. Okay, x minus y whole square is equal to x minus y into x minus y. So x into x minus y minus y into x minus y. So x into x will become x square, x into y will become xy minus xy plus y square. So that means x square minus 2xy plus y square, that is equal to RHS. So therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So for this we can take one example also, students. We can take one example easily. So example, suppose we need to expand this. Suppose 2x minus y whole square. So 2x whole square minus 2 into 2x into 5 plus 5 square. So that will be 4x square minus 20x plus 25. So students, prove that x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. So LHS we are taking x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square I can write x minus y into x minus y. Can I write it like this, students? X minus y whole square I can write, because 2 square means what? 2 into 2, just like this. 2 square means 2 into 2. So x minus y whole square also I can write x minus y into x minus y. We are proving, okay? This left hand side equal to right hand side, we will prove now. So after that you see, students, so x minus y into x minus y. So x is there and now we will use the distributive property. Okay, so along with this x we will multiply this full bracket. So x into x minus y, this x minus y you multiply fully. Okay, so x into x minus y, students, this x into x minus y you do. After that, after x what is there? Minus y. So minus y. So x into x minus y minus y into x minus y. So x into x. Now this x will be multiplied with this x is outside, isn't it? This x will be multiplied with this x and y both, isn't it? So x into x will become x square minus x into y will become xy, minus sign, minus y into x will become xy. This minus will become plus, y into y will become y square. So x square minus xy minus xy, minus 1 will become minus 2, isn't it? Isn't it, students? So minus, there nothing is there means 1 is there. Minus 1 it will become minus 2xy plus y square. That is equal to what? RHS. See, RHS become no? So therefore LHS equals to RHS. Therefore x minus y whole square is equal to x square minus 2xy plus y square. Understood? Example, suppose we are asked to expand 2x minus 5 whole square like this. So this is x and this is y. First this is x, 2x. Here 2x means x. Here according to this formula you see x minus y whole square and 2x minus 5 whole square. Both the form the same, no? This one and this one. isn't it? So first I will write x square. This one 2x is x, so write x square 2x whole square. Then 2xy. So minus this minus sign will come here. 2xy. 2 into x means 2x and y means what? 5 plus y square. Y square means 5 square. 2x whole square will become 4x square minus 2 into 2 4. 4 5 is 20. 20x. 5 square will become 25. Okay. So this is the answer. Okay, students. Next, students. Next, let us come to identity 3. Identity 3. Okay. Identity 3 we will prove. So prove that x square minus y square is equal to x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Okay. Prove that x square minus y square minus y square x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So we will prove this, students. This one also we will take it as a proof. Each and every identity we will prove so that you know that how this formula has come. Okay. So we will take the right hand side, students. Let us take the right hand side. So x plus y into x minus y. Okay. So x into x minus y plus y into x minus y. So x into x will become x square minus xy plus xy minus y square. Plus xy minus xy cancel. That is equal to x square minus y square. That is equal to LHS. Isn't it? Left hand side. Isn't it, students? We are going from right hand side to left hand side. So therefore, LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore x square minus y square is equal to x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So for this also we can take an example. Suppose you are asked to factorize. Suppose you are asked to factorize a square minus 25. You are asked to factorize. So you can write it like this: a square minus 5 square. So a plus 5 into a minus 5. Okay. So prove that, students. Prove that x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Prove that. You have to prove that x square minus y square. You have to prove that x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Okay. So we will prove it. So we will prove this. Okay. This identity we will prove. So we will go from the right hand side. Let us take the right hand side, students. Let us take the right hand side. So right hand side, what is there? X plus y into x minus y, isn't it? So we will prove that this one is equal to this one. We will go from the right hand side. So just like before, we will use the distributive property. So along with this x, we will multiply this full bracket. This full bracket will multiply by x. See, x into x minus y arrow. Arrow or not? This x is there. So x into, see very carefully. Okay. This x into x minus y I wrote. After x, what sign is the plus sign? I wrote here plus sign. After this x plus sign is there, so I wrote here plus sign. Y into x minus y. So x into x. Now you just see how I multiply. Distributive property. Okay. X into x will become x square minus x into y will become xy. Plus this minus sign has come here. Y into x will become xy minus y into y will become y square. This plus xy and minus xy is cancelled. So what will remain? X square minus y square. That is equal to LHS. LHS, you see, x square minus y square. No. So therefore, x plus y into x minus y became equal to x square minus y square. That means equal to LHS. So therefore, LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, x square minus y square. X square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So example, suppose you are asked to factorize this. See, a square minus 25. a square minus 25, you are asked to factorize this. So a square you will write a square only. In place of 25 you will write what? 5 square. Won't you? A square will be a square only, isn't it? A square will be a square only. In place of 25 you will write 5 square. So it became a square minus x square minus y square. It became or not? See, x square minus y square, a square minus 5 square, x square minus y square, a square minus 5 square. Same, no? So x square minus y square. What is the formula? X plus y into x minus y. So a square minus 5 square will be a plus 5 into a minus 5. This is x and this is y. So x square minus y square, you will write x plus y into x minus y. This is x and this is y, isn't it? Here a means x and 5 means y. Just like this, x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. So a square minus 5 square, you will write a plus 5 into a minus 5. Understood? Understood this? Okay? So next, students, next we will come to identity 4. Okay, we will come to identity 4. Identity 4 is like this. Prove that students, prove that x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Okay. So let us prove this, students. So prove that, students, identity 4. This is identity 4. Okay. X plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So let us take the left hand side, students. So x plus a into x plus b is equal to x into x plus b plus a into x plus b. So x into x will become x square, x into b will become bx, a into x will become ax, and a into b will become ab, isn't it? So that means x square plus ax plus bx plus ab. So x square plus a plus bx plus ab, that is equal to RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore x plus a into x plus b, x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So you can take an example for this also. Suppose x plus 3 into x plus 5. Okay. So x square plus 3 plus 5 into x plus 3 into 5. So x square plus 8x plus 15. So students, prove that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. Okay. So prove that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So LHS, let us take the left hand side, students. We will take the left hand side. Okay. In the left hand side we have x plus a into x plus b, isn't it? X plus a into x plus. So we will prove that x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab. So let us take the left hand side. So this x into this full bracket, see, this x into this full bracket. Okay, this x into this full full bracket. So what is here? X. X into this full bracket. Full bracket means x plus b. We will use the distributive property now, isn't it? So x into x plus b, same like the last sum only, isn't it? So x into x plus b. See very carefully, okay? So this x is here. X into x plus b I wrote. This x into this full bracket. So x into x plus b. After x, what sign is a plus? Write here plus. After that, a into x plus b. Very easy. Now you multiply. X into x will become x square, plus sign. X into b will become bx. After that, a into x will become ax, plus a into b will become ab. Now ax I wrote first, then I wrote plus bx. From these two terms I will take x common. Okay, x square, leave x square as it is. From these two you just take x common. From here if I take x common I will get a. From here if I take x common I will get plus b, plus ab. So that is x square plus a plus b x plus ab. X square plus a plus b x plus ab is the answer. See, x square, see that, x square matching, no, x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So therefore that is equal to RHS. Therefore left hand side x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. So therefore LHS equals to RHS. Therefore x plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b x plus ab. Example, suppose this kind of, we need to multiply these two. Suppose we need to multiply x plus 3 into x plus 5. You just need to see that this is of the form x plus a into x plus b. That means the first term here also x, here also x. The first term in both the brackets must be absolutely same. Here also it should be like, in place of x, other number also may be there. Means suppose here if 2x is there, here also it should be 2x only. Understood? The first term of this bracket and the first term of this bracket must be same, absolutely same, and the other two may be different. No problem. Okay. So here also x is there, here also x is there, same. Here plus 3 is there, here plus 5 is there. So we can easily apply this formula, x plus a into x plus b. So first what we will write, x square, here x is there. If x is there, write x square. If 2x is there or 3x is there, then you will write s. Like suppose if it is like this, 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 5, then you will write 2x whole square plus 3 plus 5 into 2x plus 3 into 5. So that will become 4x square plus 3 plus 5 8, 3 plus 5 8, 8 into 2x, 3 plus 5 8, 8 into 2 16, 16x plus 15. Okay, see here x is there, here also x is there, so I wrote x square plus, after that a plus b, so that means 3 plus 5, a plus b, after a plus b what is there, x is there, so this x will be multiplied here, and at last ab, that means 3 into 5. Okay, so x square, 3 plus 5 will become 8, 8 into x will become 8x, and 3 into 5 will become 15. Okay, and here in the same way, if I take this another example I have discussed here, you see 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 5. Here also you see the first term is 2x, here also the first term is 2x. 2x and 2x same, no, in both the brackets. So we will write first we have to write x square, isn't it? X square, here x means what? 2x. Here x means 2x, so you will write 2x whole square. So 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 5. So first term in this bracket is also 2x, in this bracket it is also 2x, isn't it? So you will write 2x whole square. Here I wrote x square, no, so here you will write 2x whole square. First x square, isn't it? In place of x now, what is that? 2x. So I will write 2x whole square plus a plus b. Here a is 3. Here a means 3 and b means 5. So that's why I wrote 3 plus 5. Okay. A plus b, then x. What is x here? 2x. So write 3 plus 5 into 2x. And ab means 3 into 5. Okay. So 2x whole square will become 4x square. 3 plus 5 will become 8, 8 into 2x will become 16x, and 3 into 5 will become 15. Understood?